Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. WhatsApp is widely used not only for chats and calls. It also transfers data, especially images, for personal reasons. So it is frustrating and shameful when you find out you have suddenly lost or accidentally deleted one of your conversations that contains many important images. And now, you are probably looking for a way to restore the lost WhatsApp images from your iPhone. Good thing we have provided excellent solutions for you. We introduce the two methods to restore your lost WhatsApp image from your iPhone. Let's begin with the first method. The first backup you should select is WhatsApp's backup. All of your data, including chats, images, videos, and messages, will be backed up daily if you have WhatsApp backup configured to run automatically or manually. To restore with this method, go to WhatsApp settings. Find the chat option, then select Chat Backup to check the time and date of your last backup. After that, uninstall WhatsApp from your iPhone, then reinstall it again. Afterward, you will be informed to restore the backup's chat media and history. Once done, all your chats, video, and, most importantly, your WhatsApp images will be restored. The most common technique almost everyone uses is recovering deleted images from an iCloud backup. You could instantly restore any crucial photos, videos, documents, or other items from your iCloud backup if you accidentally erase them. Take note. Using this approach would delete all data on your iPhone. Consequently, the data not in the iCloud backup may be lost. To apply this method, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap the General tab to see two options: Reset or Erase All Content and Settings. Tap the Erase All Content and Settings, and then your iPhone will delete your data. After that, it will take you to the Setup screen, where you will set up your device's data. Follow all the instructions given on your device, then tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Maintain Wi-Fi on your device and select the most appropriate backup for your deleted WhatsApp photographs and videos. The methods mentioned above are free ways to restore WhatsApp images. However, if these approaches still do not work, we introduce the FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery. This third-party tool will help you recover lost or deleted WhatsApp images from your iPhone, as this tool has a restore feature. Also, it has a high recovery rate, which means it will restore your chat history, especially the WhatsApp messages from your iPhone. To use this tool, visit our page, FoneLab.com, or simply click the link in the description. Losing important WhatsApp images from your iPhone is truly heart-wrenching. But some methods will resolve your problems, and the most efficient is FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery. This tool is easy to use and has a high recovery rate, so you will no longer worry about losing data on your iPhone. So what are you waiting for? Get FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And please remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.